In front of me is DOOGEE S86 Pro, and let me show you how to set up default browser here. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select apps and notifications, and go to default apps. And as you can see here, we've got browser apps for this market, and if you have more than one browser only, you just tap on it, the one that you obviously want to pick as a default one, and it will be set as a default one. I'm not sure if there's any area where I can show you how it works. Nope, it's all with one app only. So basically you will have just another browser name at the bottom and smoothly mark like this to apply it. So that will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.